Hi and welcome back to my morning report chart appraisals on Friday the 29th of August with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Moving on to cable now for sterling dollar, and I said on the euro just now that there's a possibility of a rebound, a small base pattern as the consolidation goes. Now this rebound is beginning to really come through now on this cable chart, really threatening a move and a breakout above $1.66. That has been the ceiling on an intraday basis for the last week and a half now. A couple of slight moves to the upside, but nothing able to be sustained. And what we're seeing early today now is another move to the upside, another real test of that 66 big figure mark. And can it be sustained on the upside? Well, we need to start seeing a move above 66 and then holding above it for several sort of at least an hour or so on this intraday chart. A couple of hours you'd be hoping for at least a move and hold above that level to be really confirming that that's a breakout. And at the moment it's really is building. It's now pushing above this 200-hour moving average, which is a positive indicator. Momentum is on the border of being positive. You wouldn't be wanting to put your house on this base pattern forming. However, I think it just slightly has a bullish bias on the intraday chart. However, what you would say is that you've got this big overhead resistance of this downtrend coming in. That downtrend currently comes in around 66.40, so I don't think that the upside is going to be too significant until before the selling pressure starts to come in again. If you look at this chart here, this big overhead resistance that now comes in around 66.90 to 67 big figure, I think just suggests that any sort of rebound is a chance to sell. These momentum indicators are still pretty negative, not really showing any real sign of a recovery that's once again that you'd want to be in for any period of time. I think any rebound that we get on this chart is going to be short-lived. I think it's going to be sold into ultimately, and I think we're going to get further rebound retesting of that 65.25 low, and ultimately probably back towards that 64.60 March 2014 low. So I'm still a bit skeptical and a bit wary about this recovery that we're seeing, or this attempted recovery that we're seeing, which may well form this small near-term base pattern that would give us an upside target of 66.75. But as I said, once again, as with the euro, any sort of rebound is going to come up against resistance coming in around that 66.50 mark, and then 67 as well. So there's a lot of overhead resistance, and I think there's a lot of reasons to believe that this will ultimately be another chance to sell. Okay, well, I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.